Welcome to Secure Financial Education. Subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want. This short room makeover video is about some tips for redecorating the master bedroom on a budget. It really is quite easy to change the look of your bedroom without spending a fortune. Just using a little creativity on your part will go a long way to improve the layout and look. Number 1. A good thing to do before you start redecorating your room is to declutter. Put any items that you don't need away in labeled boxes and store them either under the bed, in a closet or the garage. Number 2. The most inexpensive way of changing the look of a room is adding some paint. It will also have the most impact. You do not even need to paint the whole room, you could just repaint one particular area, such as the wall behind the bed. You could even consider stenciling some designs onto the walls in order to give the walls a little more life. Number 3. Find scarves, tablecloths, or pillowcases that complement the color scheme of your bedroom. These things can be used to soften the top of a dresser or the edge of your bedside table. Number 4. By adding scent to your room, you will be changing the way the room feels. One inexpensive way to do this is to cut up some orange peel and allow it to dry. Then mix it with whatever sweet spices you have, maybe cinnamon, and then put it in an open bowl in your bedroom. Number 5. A great way to change the look and feel of a bedroom inexpensively is by buying a new lamp or even just a lampshade. It is important to remember that the bedroom is a place where we spend much of our downtime. So why not spend a little time making a haven for yourself, and which will not break the budget? I hope that these tips have given you some ideas for freshening up your space on a budget. Please leave your thoughts below, we would love to hear your thoughts. Please comment below, your opinion is important. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want.